Want to learn coding fast and secure a job easily? This might sound like a dream, but it's more achievable than you think. In this digital age, coding has become as essential as reading and writing. The demand for coders is soaring, opening doors to countless opportunities and rewarding careers. Whether you're a student, a professional considering a career shift, or even a retiree looking to stay productive, coding is an excellent skill to acquire. The first step to landing a coding job is, of course, learning how to code. And today, there are countless platforms to help you do just that. Online courses such as Code Academy, Coursera, and bootcamps offer comprehensive curriculums in a variety of languages. For a more intensive, hands-on approach, consider coding bootcamps. These programs offer accelerated learning and often have strong job placement records. Lastly, don't discount the value of self-study. Books and open-source resources offer flexibility and allow for self-paced learning. The key is to choose a language that aligns with your career goals. If you're interested in data science, Python might be your best bet. If web development is more your style, then consider learning JavaScript. But remember, the goal is not to rush through the learning process, but to understand and absorb the concepts thoroughly. After all, coding is a language, and fluency comes with practice. Once you've got a grip on coding, it's time to start building your portfolio. This is your creative space, your stage, where you showcase your coding prowess. Think of it as your coding art gallery. But what to display? Well, personal projects are a great start. Maybe you've built a cool app or designed a sleek website. Show it off. Don't shy away from contributing to open-source projects either. These are valuable experiences, tangible proof of your coding abilities. They speak volumes to potential employers more than any certificate. They say, here is what I can do. Here is the value I can bring. Remember, a well-crafted portfolio can set you apart from other candidates and increase your chances of landing a job. Now that you've learned to code and built an impressive portfolio, it's time to start the job hunt. The journey to land your dream job is a game of strategy. Networking is key. Engage with like-minded individuals, share your ideas, and don't shy away from asking for introductions. Attend industry events. They are gold mines for opportunities. They not only expose you to the latest trends, but also to potential employers. Don't forget to leverage job search platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and Glassdoor. They are your gateway to a world of opportunities. Here's a pro tip. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each job application. Show them you're not just another applicant, but the solution they've been looking for. With perseverance and the right approach, you'll soon land a job that lets you put your coding skills to good use.